going now to Luxor and the ship is actually moving. So I will try to, if it's appearing, if it's moving, maybe a little faster, right? They're going very slow, but it's moving. Anyway, in the Nubian village, we made the henna as I told you. I can show you. 1 and 2. Firstly, we paid around 150 for 3 people, which is extremely expensive. And then we had the henna included in the price already. So if I knew it before, I won't pay the first one.
I wanna be the queen of Egyptian hearts. I'm here.
So I came closer. If it's appearing, how we are going. It's very windy, so I hope it won't have it. I feel like on the Titanic, we are just on the dial. So now we are in the Ombo. So the Ombo is the temple of crocodile. It was to the god of Sabek, and here is one of the very ancient Nile meter. I hope I got it right. Nile meter. When the Nile disappear, so it's showing you the height of the Nile actually. And we was going from Aswan to here to the Komombo actually almost 2 hours. So it was kind of far away from the Aswan itself, from the Nubian village. But it's so beautiful and the sunset, it's a really amazing place to be here. I can't believe myself I'm here. Oh my god. Please, I will show you something one more. Look at the tree. I remember that in my high school, there's actually teaching us in the middle of Europe that Egypt has almost no greens and no water to drink. So come on, look at this. And we was going on the Nile, so all the way there's the trees from the banana and mango and so on. So oh my god, it was nonsense that there's no greens. Look how many trees, look how many fields, look how much water. And I was speaking with the Nubian people, and they was saying they are living on the Nile water, they are drinking it normally till nowadays. And I tasted it, I tried to taste it, it has the taste of the sand you can feel. So we are not used on it, so don't try it, you will not like it. But yeah, they live on it till now. So okay, let's go inside. This place was famous for gold, so from this place they were taking gold to all the Egypt. And here on the Nile there's a curve in the middle, like 5 meters in the Nile, and this is the best place for crocodile, so they are living there till nowadays actually. So this place they choose to worship the crocodile. So, and also this is like an, let's say, island and on a very high position, so the temple is, we have to go by stairs. It's amazing feeling. It feels like the pharaoh time. You can play that you're the pharaoh. And look here, still staying the color. I'm gonna show you the colors. Oh, as you see on this picture, still stay the color because it's famous. All the Egyptian had all the temples very colored, yellow, blue, green, and they are Egyptian very famous and nowadays about the colors itself. So this place was famous for celebration. So anytime they want to slay some animals for the god, they make it just here in this place. The thing which I love on this place, in common in Egypt, in the historical places, you can touch anything you want. So for me it's amazing that I can touch these hieroglyphs, for example. Like, I just imagine the person who's making it now, and I'm now touching the same place. Okay? And look, here is kind of very big, so if you can read it, you can read it very easy, I guess. And here also appear is destroyed already. As I told you yesterday, that the king tried to destroy everything from the Egypt. Even here seems his work appeared so much. So, Kamambo is the place where the Egyptian calendar was written. Egyptian year had only 360 days and was divided just in 3 sequences. It's very famous, they go on the moon. Right here it has 2 places for worshipping the gods, because the gods was 2. And it was the Horus and Sobek. And here was the very famous celebrations, like in front of which actually it was just for slaying, and here was for the celebration for the country one or for the pharaohs or whatever. But it was important. Well, it's getting darker, so I guess I have to finish because we came here at 6 p.m. so it can get dark very quickly. And thank you so much for watching with me and staying. Bye bye.
Yeah.